Getting in our shot.
Oh my gosh. It's going. Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I know I haven't vlogged in a hot minute. So today is February 13th, the day before Valentine's Day. The reason why we and Jake are celebrating it now because tomorrow, which is Valentine's Day, we have class literally all day. Yeah, so got me some flowers and I'm super obsessed with it. It's me in a bouquet form. I love like the corals. I had like so much fun like picking it out because the florist like literally knew what I wanted without me knowing what I wanted. So I had such a great experience and it looks so Pinteresty. This can be pinned onto your board. Oh, so cute. I love it so much. Yeah, we're going to eat brunch now and then we're gonna have a picnic before we have to go back to class. So yeah, see you there. Hey guys, I don't know if you guys can hear me right now, but we're eating brunch now and our brunch looks super aesthetically pleasing. It's rustic and it looks good. I'm currently sitting next to the window so you get that good lighting for you guys. And I want to show you guys what we got. So I got a deep fried French toast with mascarpone stuffed inside of the little vanilla tennis things there. And I got my vanilla latte because new girl loves a latte. And Jake got a ricotta pancake. Are you excited?
I'm excited.
Yeah, it looks so pretty. Look at our breakfast. Oh, oops. Are you excited? There you go, autofocus is working now. Woo!
Alrighty, so we've made it to Dolores Park and we've set up our picnic and I'm pretty sure that we're the most extra people alive.
I'm very extra.
We brought basically a bunch of stuff to set up. Got a white blanket and like a picnic basket from Target, and we just went to like a poke place and got some sushi burritos. Got our fresh fruit, strawberries, raspberries, and satsumas, Polaroid, a bunch of glasses. We brought donuts all the way back. These are vegan whole food donuts. We brought those to just set up. Some vegan popcorn in the jar. Got the flowers that I got for Jessie, and rosé as well that I got for her. It looks like we're all set to take some pictures. Wow. You look like a goddess in this lighting.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm back with her.
She's changed into her like third outfit of the day. I don't know if I was supposed to expose her like that,
Don't
but
expose me.
her third outfit of the day and it's only 2 o'clock.
It's only 2 o'clock.
So yeah, let's take some photos.
How do you open this?
Popping bottles.
There we go. Slip her off.
And then you unscrew the little side part on that.
Oh, okay. You know, girls 21.
Now, if you're strong enough, you can pull the cork out.
Oh, I just did it.
Who knew?
Ooh.
It would be that easy.
You know how to put it back in?
You can't put the cork back in. You put this guy back on.
Oh.
See, look at that cork. It's way too big to fit in there.
You're right.
Rosé, happy Valentine's Day, baby.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sweet. Just kidding. Shout out to my roommate. She's letting me borrow her wine glasses with the little pugs on it.
Let's see them. Pugs. Very classy.
Very classy. We always love some animals here.
Take a sip. See if it's any good.
I like this side. Sit, stay, drink.
That's what we told Chester when he hasn't had enough water in the day.
Little paw prints on it. When you don't have money for a personal photographer. At least this is cute. Yeah, it's so nice to see how everything you plan in your mind comes through. Okay, so Jake's out here to calling me extra, but he's the one who pre-made the bagels with cream cheese. So he can't say anything because I'm not that extra. But look how cute this is. The kettle corn, it's vegan. I love the spread. I don't know why Jake wants to bring this thing. I don't know. But this is.
Pigeon getting in our shot.
Oh my gosh. Guy.
How close are you gonna get?
Oh my god. Oh my god.
It's just a pigeon.
Oh my gosh. I think it saw me.
Hey dude,
You got so close.
it's my girlfriend. We're gonna need you to leave. Thank you, dude. Okay, bye-bye.
So after, it was like an hour taking pictures.
At least an hour of taking photos.
Yep. Well, we couldn't get the poses right and like the lighting and everything, but now we're just drinking my rosé that he got me, along with my flowers that I'm still super obsessed with, and our fruits. Try to save these for little Chester.
He'll love them.
I like to eat raspberries with my rosé. I don't know, it's just extra sweetness.
They go well together, don't they? Perfectly complementary.
So yesterday we were like really debating of having a picnic today because yesterday was super cold.
So cold.
It was like in the 50s. I think right now it's 50-ish, 60-ish.
It's pretty warm. It's nice and warm sitting here.
Yeah, so it was super cold yesterday, super cloudy, foggy, and we were debating if we should have a picnic today. At first we decided not to have one, but we changed our mind, and I'm glad that we changed our mind and decided to have one because it's super nice out. See,
everyone enjoying the sunshine at the Dolores Park.
Yes.
I'm glad we didn't cancel, or else we'd be sitting at home.
Yeah, I would have been so mad. I'd be like, wow, we should have went outside today. But I feel like it's meant to be. I'm glad we made the decision to have a picnic today.
Valentine's Day adventure was a success.
Yes, I'm super happy, and now it's not super crowded. Thank you, business.
You're welcome. All the way down her throat.
Relaxing helicopter sound.
Train.
No, it was a helicopter earlier.
Helicopter earlier. Oh, you're right.
Yep.
Forgot about that.
Oh, this is so cute.
Couple minutes of snuggling.
Ew.
Hey. Stop.
It's gross.
And then we'll have to make our way back to school.
Because he has class.
At least we have the day off together, which is nice.
I know. We actually did a lot today. We got flowers, we went to eat brunch, we have a picnic date, and then going back to class.
Yeah, and we still have the rest of the evening to get homework done, stuff for tomorrow due. But it was worth it to spend the day together.
Yay! Thank you, Bissy.
You're
It was so much fun today.
I love you.
Love you too. Later, date though. Happy Vietnamese New Year, Chester! Here, little rabbit. Do you like this?
He's just having a grand old time. Such a sweetheart. You're an angel. You like your hat?
You're too fat for that.
He's too fat for the hat.
Happy New Year, Chester.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.